Dear students, today once again we are going to summarize lesson number 1, The Fun They Had, written by Isaac Asimov. The Fun They Had is a short story that falls in the category of science fiction and has the future year 2157 as its background setting. It takes us into a world where computers will play a major role in educating children. Schools that use paper books and that encourage mutual interaction between teachers and students will cease to exist. And surprisingly, students, you had been facing the same situation since last year due to COVID 19. So, in this chapter, we are going to read that on May 17, 2157, Tommy, a young boy of 13, happens to find a book in the attic of his house which he shows to Margie, a girl of 11. The book is centuries old and its pages are yellow and crinkly. Both Tommy and Margie are amazed to see that the words in the book are fixed on the pages and they do not move as they do on a screen they are accustomed to. Actually, they have been born and brought up in an era of advanced computers and TV, with the mechanical teacher giving lessons at home. Margie recalls that once her grandfather had told her about how stories were printed on pages in the times of his grandfather. Tommy considers books a waste because, unlike computers, they cannot have new words after one has finished reading them. Margie is disappointed when Tommy tells her that the book is about a school because she dislikes schools. Her concept of a school is a TV screen with machine giving lessons in various subjects. The TV has a special slot where the students have to submit their homework, which is checked and marked by the machine in no time. Margie's dislike for a school has been intensified these days because the mechanical teacher has not been functioning properly. Margie's mother calls the county inspector to examine the cause behind the error. The inspector disbands the mechanical teacher and finds that Margie was not at fault for the poor performance. Actually, the geography sector had been fixed at a speed that was too fast for the little girl. The inspector is able to set the speed to Margie's level, but she is unhappy to have the teacher put in order. She had hoped that it would be taken away for some time and she would be relieved of the trouble of taking so many tests. So, dear students, why Margie hated school? Because she was doing worse and worse in her geography sector. And the computer teacher, the mechanical teacher, was giving her test of geography again and again, and she was not able to perform well in that. But county inspector was able to arrange the robotic teacher and was able to repair it. Now, Tommy informs Margie that the book is not about their kind of school, which has a TV with mechanical teachers. Rather, it is on the other hand about the old kind of schools which used to work hundreds of years ago. He tells her that the old schools were special buildings where lessons were taught by men and not by machines. The students of one level were taught together by the same teacher in the classroom. So we can see that how both of them were reading the book and how Tommy described about the special building which was called as school, in which students used to go together and they used to study over there. Tommy and Margie discuss how earlier many students adjusted their level with the same teacher, unlike their own schools, where every teacher is attuned to the requirement of individual student. They haven't even read half the book when Margie's mother reminds her that it is time for school. Margie's schoolroom is right next to her bedroom. So she has to study at regular hours because her mother considers it right to study at fixed time every day. Now, students, in this, it has been told that Margie and Tommy they learn through a robotic teacher, whereas the students of the older traditional times they used to study from a real human being. Now, as the mechanical teacher is teaching the addition of proper fractions, Margie is lost in her thoughts about the working of schools in old times. She believes that the kids must have enjoyed going together to school. They must have had fun going to the same school, studying the same things, and being able to help one another. So basically, students, the title of the story, The Fun They Had, has been derived from the closing words of the chapter only. They reflect the opinion of Margie, a young girl in the year 2157, about the students centuries ago. Margie's school is in the room next to her bedroom, and in place of a human teacher, she has a mechanical teacher and a big screen that displays her lessons. This machine is attuned to her level. The girl does not like such customization and imagines how much fun the earlier students must have had going to the same school, studying the same things, and being able to help one another. Thus, the fun they had rightly conveys the importance of present day education system when children have fun during their schooling. Thank you, students. Please go through the chapter once again and have a nice day.